Hello there people, welcome back to Martin's Sticky Buns. Abby asked me for a summertime treat today. I suggested a strawberry tart. An individual tart filled with pastry cream and topped off with strawberries, fresh strawberries. I think I'm going to do okay. Well, the first job is pastry for the cases. I've got a sweet pastry here. It was made weeks ago and I froze it. Just going to prick it with a fork and then fill it with baking rice. This is baking parchment just to keep the rice off the pastry. These will go into the oven at 200 degrees C for 15 minutes. Then we get rid of the baking parchment and rice and they go back in for a further 5 minutes. While we're waiting for the pastry cases to bake, we can start on our fillings. First part of the filling is the creme patissiere or pastry cream. For the pastry cream, 250 ml of milk into a pan. Then there's half a vanilla pod, split lengthways and scrape the seeds out. Turn the gas on low to start with. That'll give you a chance to get all your other ingredients together. You'll also need 50 grams of caster sugar, and 3 egg yolks. Two, 3. Set the mixer away with the beater on a low speed. And you'll also need 15 grams of cornflour. When the milk just about boils, pour it over the eggs. Pour them back into the pan. Return it to the stove. Better to use a whisk when making the pastry cream when it comes to that sort of consistency. It's time to transfer it to a fridge container. When you come to cling film it, make sure it's right down touching the surface of the pastry cream. This prevents a skin from forming. Give it about 10 minutes or so before it goes in the fridge, so it'll be too hot. Needs to cool down a little first. Pastry cream from inside the fridge, no skin. This is just a way of loosening it up a bit. good. And the strawberries. Strawberry jam, homemade. There you have it, guys. Save that for tonight after our barbecue. Well, that's all I've got time for today. If you enjoyed the video and the recipes, click like and subscribe, and I'll do more of the same. Bye for now.